Hey guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to be making some Tater Tot Casserole. I have never made it before, I have never even tasted it before. A friend of mine, Robin, from Oklahoma, sent me this recipe, so I'm going to try it out. But before I get started with everything you're going to need, take a look around. Welcome to my channel. Take a look around and see what you like. And hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. I do a lot of especially southern meals that I think is adaptable for most all levels of cooking. And if you like what I do, give me a big thumbs up and share it out on social media. Alright, now, what we're going to need. You're going to need tater tots. Now, the recipe itself called for 800 grams, but after some calculating, 800 grams came out to a little bit over 28 ounces, and this is 32 ounces. You need two 10-ounce cans of cream of mushroom, but I'm using cream of chicken, mainly because Tony doesn't like cream of mushroom, but if I wasn't taping this, and he wasn't actually taping this, I would have used it, and he never would have known the difference, but because he is doing it, and today is his birthday, I'm going to be nice and do the cream of chicken. You need a 14.5-ounce can of mixed vegetables, a pound of ground beef, an onion chopped up, some garlic, and some shredded cheese. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to brown the ground beef, chop up the onion, which I'm going to add it to the ground beef, and then the garlic, and then we'll bring you back whenever I'm mixing everything up. See you in a few. Okay, I browned the beef and the onions and then added the garlic at the end. Now what you're going to do is you want to drain your mixed vegetables, and because this is a little bit more than two 10-ounce cans, I'm not going to use all of this, but you want to mix the cream soup in with the vegetables. Oh, and preheat your oven to 400. Okay. Now I've greased a 9x13. And I'm going to put this in here. And I've already drained my beef. That was 1 pound of beef, but that sure don't look like much, does it? Oh well. Put that down in there. Then cover the beef with your vegetable and cream of soup. Cream of chicken and mushroom soup mix. Now you want to put your tater tots on top. I'm sure I'm not going to use this whole bag. To me, this reminds me a little bit of your cottage pie, shepherd's pie, however you want to call it. Except you use tater tots. Alright, now you want to put this in the oven, like I said, a 400-degree oven. for 40 minutes, and then we're going to come back after 40 minutes and sprinkle a cup of shredded cheddar on top, and then put it back in for 5 minutes. Alright, we'll bring you back before we put the cheese on. Be right back. Okay, this has been on for 40 minutes. Oh, look at how bubbly. Said add a cup of cheese, and y'all know me. There will be no measuring. Lips. Okay, I'm going to leave this in here for about 5 minutes. And the next time you see me, it'll be over at the counter with the food on the plate. See you in a minute. Okay, it's out the oven now. And this good food calls for the fine china today. Robin says that she adds some sour cream to it whenever she puts it on the plate, but I don't have any sour cream, and it's gonna take an hour for this to cool. But hey, this is a very versatile supper. It's all done all in one. You got your starch, your protein, and your veggies. Boy, it's hot. So, I want to tell you too that at the in the description box, I also have links to my Amazon store of things that I use in the kitchen. So, I'd really like y'all to check that out. If you find something you like, order it. Help support my channel. Like I said, I'd really love to have you in the family. So hit that subscribe button. Share it out on your social media. Give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper is ready. Y'all have a good one. Bye.